Hello everyone, so in this video let us talk about attachments. Now when I work with new customers or clients or existing stakeholders where they want to use Jira for a particular use case, I often come across this question where they want to basically have fields to upload some files. Let us say you want to capture a requirement, and when you capture a requirement, maybe there is a requirement to attach an Excel sheet, maybe some scorecard, or maybe some kind of document. And whenever these attachments need to be uploaded, people expect in Jira a field. Let us say a field to upload a scorecard, a field to upload some kind of a diagram. Now, good thing about Jira is, or maybe it's a bad thing, attachment is not really like other fields. Attachment is like a feature. Of course, it appears like a field when you go to your screens. You can add a field called as attachment, and then of course users can upload a file. But you can't really have a custom field of type attachment. That is not how things work, and it is in a way not really a bad thing. It is just a matter of using it or using this particular feature in a certain way. So what you can do is, based on what kind of file you want to attach, so there are a few things that you can do. Either you can leave it to your users where they can upload a file and then someone will approve it. For example, usually when it comes to these kind of processes, there is an approval system where the approvers, let us say your first level approver, second level approver, they of course will review the files that are already uploaded, and if there is a scorecard attached, then of course they will approve or they will not approve. So this is something that you can do. So basically you can have multiple files attached to any issue, maybe a requirement or some kind of let us say, or basically whatever process that you have. It could be an epic, it could be some other issue type, but you just have one attachment field where you can have multiple files. The other thing that you can do is you can definitely create, and this is something that people do a lot, because in Jira, even if you attach a file, it is just a file, but sometimes those files could be stored somewhere else. So what people do is they have like a text field, and that text field basically will have a link to some other document. It could be a Google Sheet or some SharePoint or some other document somewhere else. So that, or maybe a link to Confluence. So that is something that you can do. You can have a field like score